Quick disclaimer here, trading is very risky and carries a high level of risk. Anything said here is not a financial advice. Make sure you trade with money you can only afford to lose. Stay safe.
Okay, what is going on, guys? This is the voice of TRADEWITHWORLDBANK, and in this new YouTube video we're going to be looking at where we stopped from last week. If you are new to this channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Also, if you have subscribed, make sure you turn on notifications so that you can get notified whenever I drop beautiful content like this. Okay, so also these are my beautiful trades that I took during the week with my students. This buy setup here was a very beautiful trade, and I'm anticipating more sales on GBP USD. Also on AED USD, took beautiful buy also from there, took a 5 pip stop loss there, and yeah, this is what I'm anticipating next week. Also moving to where we stopped last week. In case you have not watched the video from last week, make sure you click on the video. Is going to come up in a minute, so make sure you watch it before you proceed into this video. Yeah, so basically last week I was talking about resistance over here, sorry, the supply zone over here, and this as what's diverged as confluence, which is the liquidity, and I was anticipating a pullback into that, but that didn't happen. Instead, price indicated this extra supply zone over here, second supply zone, and I think that I drew out this supply zone also. I can't remember, I honestly can't remember, but you can see everything is playing out and price really dropped so much. Okay, so this week, what are we expecting again? You can see price has sold finish and we're expecting some movements. Okay, price is now at it almost at the demand level, but then let's go to the 4 hours time frame, and we can still anticipate sales. Okay, we can still anticipate sales because the trend is still very bearish. Then moving to the 1 hour time frame also, that is still the same supply zone. You can refine the supply zone, and looking at that, you can look for buying opportunities into that supply zone. Exactly, so that this is basically what I do. Instead of waiting for price to react, you draw out your supply and demand, and you anticipate price to react from whatever you've drawn. You understand? Yeah, so this is basically what I'm expecting, and sometimes price might not get to this supply, price might just react from here and sell off. In case it does that, we're going to continue using the supply zone, and that is those are the 3 buyers I'm expecting, 3 setups I'm expecting on Euro CHF. Also, price can break out. This is no longer valid, though it's still valid, but we look for confirmation entry from there. So in case price breaks out of this supply zone, it might tap into this extreme supply and give us confirmation entry, and then would sell off. You understand? So this is what I'm expecting on Euro CHF. This is what I'm expecting on Euro CHF. So simple and clean, and let's see how price is going to react. Make sure you wait till the end because there's something I want to show you in this video. So Euro USD, I was expecting a buy here from the change of character, but that didn't play out. Then I said if there is a sell, then we might continue selling off. Okay, which I was using this illustration. Okay, I said if there was a sell, we'll continue using the supply zones and look for sales. So that's literally happened. Let me delete the buyers that didn't play out. That didn't happen, but look at that supply zone from there. Yeah, so this is the buyers that played out. Okay, this is the buyers that played out. Once there is a breakout to the selling positions, start looking forward, start looking for selling opportunities, and you can see if you followed that, you would have at least got that trade over there. That is a very beautiful sell setup. I use 5 pip stop loss most of the time. Definitely I'll be using confirmation entry. So this is like 200 pips. You'd have gotten almost 200 pips on just this trade. Stop loss above like this, so you have gotten 200 pips on just this beautiful trade from this setup that I sent. Though the initial setups didn't play out, but we gave a lot of different biases, and yeah, that's why I drew out this and this also. and this also. So tell me why you should be trading algorithm. There is really no reason to trade algorithm. So start looking for one algorithm that is working out or that is not working out, you understand, or looking for robots that would satisfy you, and so on and so forth. Demand and supply, you are easy, you are good to go. So GBP also did well, played out, gave us a big change of character. Also, there is no break of structure, and that is why price is failing to move out. You can see now that there's a break of structure over here, there is this break of structure here. We got a break of structure. Now look at the demand zone. Price went bullish from there, you understand. So that is what I was trying to explain over here last week. Change of character first, then the break of structure. After the break of structure, expect the movements to continue in that direction, you understand. So this also played out first. This played out from the supply. It's also played out on the demand to supply, supply to demand. So this is a beautiful trade also. This is a beautiful trade. You can see all the setups are playing out. If you took this trade also, you'd have gotten in and gotten out here. This is 55 pips. And also, if you've gotten in this one and gotten out also, that's probably like 55 pips also. That is 110 pips in just one movement from free YouTube analysis. Okay. And then if you had waited for the break of structure after the change of character, you can later put the change of character here. You can say that is where the change of character should be, since there is since there's change of character there, and we wait for the break of structure, then boom, the direction. So you'd have gotten also, let's say, 80 pips from here. Okay, so this is 79 pips, that is 190 pips in just one free YouTube video content, you understand. Though this is not my pair that I trade, so I don't focus on that currency pair. Let's look at GBP JPY. Okay, I was anticipating this one didn't play out. You can see. So this one will be the losing trade, and there was a drop. So there was a drop due to the news in Japan affecting our Japanese yen pairs. But looking at that supply zone, you would still get in demand and supply with news. So that is something about fundamentals. Most things about fundamentals, if you're not trading, if you don't know the direction of fundamentals, because I always teach direction of fundamentals in my mentorship, though some of it don't really work anymore. But for demand and supply, once there is news before the fundamental, once there is a supply and demand before the fundamental, most of the time, if it is not NFP or all these fundamental that spikes, most of them follow the supply and demand trading pattern, you understand. So I'm not really expecting anything much on GBP JPY since it's ranging, and I don't like trading ranges, but you can see it is attaining some levels right now, but I don't like what I'm seeing. But let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, I analyze with the daily time frame and check what is on the daily. We've got this rejection on the daily time frame. Got that beautiful rejection on the daily time frame. Let's go to the 4 hours and 1 hour. I don't like these movements, honestly. Though we can say price would sell from there, but Asia session price might, but let's say this is my buyers. Okay, let me just drop something on this. So those that don't even know how to analyze will still know that, okay, yes, at least I'm expecting something on this pair. So it can also help them. So you can anticipate sales from here. Look for your entry. Make sure you look for entry. It's very, very important. So those that have the divergence ebook, we use divergence, and those that are in my mentorship, or those that use different entries, which is the normal breaker demand and supply entry, you use it. Some people still don't know how to use demand and supply entry. That is because there is timing for everything. Some people will be asking me, my entries are sniper entries, how come they are doing this but it's not working out? There are times you don't trade during the Asian, I don't trade during when market is not active. You trade during active market hours, you understand? So that is it. And lastly, on Bitcoin, what do we have on Bitcoin? Yes, this is beautiful. This is very, very beautiful. So what I wanted to tell you was the liquidity grab over here. Yeah, there was a nice liquidity grab on Bitcoin from there, which is similar to WYCKOFF. Yes, that is what I wanted to explain, but I know WYCKOFF might be complicated for many people. Remember, we analyzed this during the week, and look at this beautiful trade, this is also another 4% on just free YouTube analysis. Free YouTube analysis, guys. Yeah, so I'm really helping you guys so much. Yeah, so that is it. Supply zone, WYCKOFF trading. Yes, this is WYCKOFF trading. There is the liquidity grab from there. So this is the liquidity grab. I can say this whole range is a WYCKOFF range. I can say that range is a WYCKOFF range. Okay, then this is the last supply, which is the UTAD also, up just after distribution. Then you set your pending order after the liquidity grab, and then boom, you can see the entry. No rejection, no retracements. Eat and run sharp. Very beautiful, very beautiful. So guys, what are we expecting again on Bitcoin? Remember I said Bitcoin should fall to either this half of the inducement, half of the imbalance, or into this major demand. Okay, I'm still anticipating that because there's no reversal sign for buy right now. Okay, so let's still follow the flow. We have that already, which is playing out nicely, and you can anticipate price to drop into here. You can anticipate price to drop into this last low over here, which is almost playing out. And right now I don't have any analysis on BTC, honestly, because it is not giving me anything to analyze. So during the markets, I'm still expecting sales. So probably during markets movements Monday to Friday, you should still expect more supply zones to be created. Okay, more supply zones to be created. So let me draw out this supply zone here. Why is that a supply zone? I've gotten my break of structure from here, because I know most people love to still ask, why is there a break of structure? Why is there a supply zone there? That is because of the break of structure. And since we are coming from this supply zone, let's see how it goes. Okay, and I'm not fully anticipating this because I know price might still want to retrace into one of these supplies. Aha, so I'm anticipating this one now. I'm anticipating this. Okay, now I have tried for you guys on the Telegram. I send different analysis from all these pairs that also play out. So you guys are getting free content from YouTube, free content from Telegram. So make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. If you need mentorship, just chat me up. You get everyday signal setups and analysis. As you can see, I'm anticipating sell here, which the signal is going to be dropped once I confirm that entry. Okay, and also I'm trading breakout and retest retail analysis, which is so far, let me say, 90% win rates, which is very beautiful. So you can see cut the sell, cut the buy. I held around 80 pips on this AUD/JPY. Yeah, AUD/JPY. Yes. So it was a very beautiful week for me. And that is GBP/USD. Also AUD/JPY. Yeah, I held this one here up to this point, up to here. So it was a very beautiful week for me. If you need my free ebooks, check the link in the description. If you need access to the free Telegram group, check the link in the description. I think that will be all for now. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, share, drop a comment, and like this video. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.